Kabir got drunk on love, but how did he get drunk on love? Dui ko dur kar dil se, by removing the feeling of duality, victory and defeat, success and failure, rich and poor, high and low, Hindu and Muslim, upper and lower, male and female. All these dualities, we are constantly in these dualities. This is the relative level. So we have to inhabit this level too. This is also truth. But there is also another truth. This truth is within us. So there is no separation. When we connect with that truth within us, then you are always connected. A very good morning to everyone. Very glad to be here at the Hindu Huddle and to share some words and wisdom from a poet who lived over 500 years ago. Kabir lived in the 15th century in Varanasi by the river Ganga. And it's something remarkable that his words are alive today, more than 500 years later, and often even without having been written down, without having been recorded. So it shows the power of these ideas. You know, in these 2 days, there are a lot of things that we are discussing which are current events and politics of the day and so on. But we also need to zoom back and get a larger view sometimes, and to have both these views simultaneously. So what is this person saying for over 500 years ago which is relevant even today? And how can we bring it into our own feeling, into our own thinking, and into our own acting? So the title of the session is Beyond Love and Hate. So Kabir says, ए जी कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में और मांगे सबकी खैर, ना काहू से दोस्ती ना काहू से बैर. Kabira khada bazaar mein. Kabir stands in the middle of the marketplace. He doesn't say go to the mountain, run away from the world. He doesn't say go to the forest and escape the world. He's in the middle of the marketplace, where all the action is happening. But he wishes well to everyone. Mange sabki khair. Na kahu se dosti, na kahu se bair. He's not specially friends with anyone, and he's not enemies with anyone. So this is a very strange position to be in, because we are so used to immediately taking sides and taking positions and dividing ourselves against other people. And he says, I have no special friendship, I have no special... And if you have friends, you have enemies. If you have enemies, you have friends. But he says there is also a space which is beyond this space. And we can also go to that space. So there are always these two levels that we are inhabiting. There is the relative level of current reality, you and me, and all that is going on right now. But there is also another level where all these differences don't exist. And how do we go to that level? ए जी कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में और लिए लुकाठी हाथ, जो घर जा रे अपना चलो हमारे साथ. So Kabir stands in the middle of the marketplace and he has a burning torch in his hand. And he says, whoever can burn his or her house down, burn your house down, then you can walk with me. He obviously doesn't mean it literally, but what does that mean? He means all that we take so seriously about ourselves. For a minute, can you let it go? For a minute, can you go beyond that and access a different kind of space from which a different kind of action comes, from which a different kind of wisdom comes, and from which a different kind of feeling comes. So even in the Gita, when Krishna advises Arjuna to act, he's advising him from that space. He's not advising him from this space. So while we inhabit both spaces, we inhabit the current space of who I am, who you are, who they are, me and you, us and them. But we can also simultaneously, it's not a case of either or, we can also simultaneously access that other space, which in different traditions is called by different names. Kabir sometimes calls it love, sometimes he calls it Hari, sometimes it's Krishna, sometimes it's the divine, sometimes it's Allah, whatever name you want to call it. But when we access that dimension in ourselves, our actions change in quality. And that is a subtle realm. So Kabir says also this. ए जी हाँ कहूँ तो है नहीं और ना भी कहो नहीं जाए हाँ और ना के बीच में मेरा सतगुरु राह समा. If I say yes, it's not correct, but I also cannot say no. Between yes and no, between right and wrong, between left and right, between all these divisions that we create for ourselves, there lies a subtle reality. And my guru, my truth, my real love is also there. So let me share a song with you from Kabir, in which he talks about going beyond this duality that we are constantly getting trapped in. So in this song, Kabir says, Haman hai ishq mastana, Haman ko hoshiari kya. I'm drunk on love. Now what have I got to do with being clever, being smart, being cool, being powerful, being all these things which make us do things to other people? Rahe azad ya jag se, Haman duniya se yari kya. I'm free in this world. What does it mean to be free? And now what have I got to do with all these calculated interests and relationships and actions? He's gone beyond calculations, all these petty calculations. जो बिछड़े हैं प्यारे से भटकते दर बदर फिरते, हमारा यार है हम में, हमन को इंतजारी क्या. Those who are separated from the beloved, from that dimension, they wander from place to place, looking for answers. Today you hear this and you believe this. Tomorrow someone says that and you believe that. And the mind is always going here and there. But he has gone beyond this and he says, my beloved, my truth is always with me, in me. So I'm not waiting for anyone or anything. Then he says, Na pal bichhde piya humse, na hum bichhde pyare se. Not for a moment are we separate from each other. How is this possible? It's because this truth is within us. So there is no separation. When we connect with that truth within us, then you are always connected. And he has a burning torch in his hand. Yes, I understand. In the end he says, Kabira ishq ka mata dui ko dur kar dil se. Kabir got drunk on love. But how did he get drunk on love? Dui ko dur kar dil se. By removing the feeling of duality, the thought of duality from his heart. What is this duality that we are constantly living with? Victory and defeat, success and failure, rich and poor, high and low, Hindu and Muslim, upper and lower, male and female. All these dualities, we are constantly in these dualities. This is the relative level. So we have to inhabit this level too. This is also truth, but there is also another truth. And when we access both, then you can taste that dimension of love. जो चलना राह नाजुक है, हमन सिर बोझ भारी क्या. It's a very delicate path. The subtle path of love is very delicate. So when we get into a lot of anger, when we get into a lot of division, when we get into a lot of whatever we need to do outside is separate. But what is my state inside? That is a separate thing. So I have to take care of my state within myself. And when I take care of the state within myself, even the hard actions I need to take outside change in quality. And they can be transformative not only for me, but also for the other person. हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या, हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या, रहें आज़ाद यहाँ जग से, रहें आज़ाद यहाँ जग से, रहें आज़ाद यहाँ जग से, हमन दुनिया से यारी क्या, हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या, जो बिछुड़े हैं प्यारे से भटकते दर बदर फिरते, जो बिछुड़े हैं प्यारे से भटकते दर बदर फिरते, हमारा यार है हम में, हमारा यार है हम में, हमन को इंतजारी क्या, हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या, रहें आज़ाद या जग से, रहें आज़ाद या जग से, रहें आज़ाद या जग से, हमन दुनिया से यारी क्या, हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या, न पल बिछुड़े पियाम से, नाम बिछुड़े प्यारे से, न पल बिछुड़े पियाम से, नाम बिछुड़े प्यारे से, उन्हीं से नेह लागी है, उन्हीं से नेह लागी है, हमन को बेकरारी क्या, हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या, रहें आज़ाद या जग से, रहें आज़ाद या जग से, रहें आज़ाद या जग से, हमन दुनिया से यारी क्या, हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या, कबीरा इश्क का माता, दुई को दूर कर दिल से, कबीरा इश्क का माता, दुई को दूर कर दिल से, जो चलना राह नाजुक है, जो चलना राह नाजुक है, हमन सिर बोझ भारी क्या, हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या, रहें आज़ाद या जग से, रहें आज़ाद या जग से, रहें आज़ाद या जग से, हमन दुनिया से यारी क्या, हमन है इश्क मस्ताना, हमन को होशियारी क्या, हमन है इश्क मस्ताना. Do you feel a difference in yourself after hearing the words and the music? This is, so we also need this, and thank you to the Hindu for also having this dimension as part of the huddle, because it changes us from within. And then our thoughts and our feelings and our actions also change. These two things are very connected. We think this is just art, this is just music, it's just poetry, it's just spirituality, it's just this, it's just that, and we are doing the important things. Everything is important. And when we incorporate this into our thoughts, feelings, and actions, the outside also changes. So I want to share a story with you, which is also connected with the Kabir song, about this. How can our actions become more powerful, even in the relative everyday world? So this story I heard it related to a song from Rajasthan. So once upon a time, in a big forest, there lived a small bird on a particular tree. And this bird and this tree, they had a very special relationship with each other. So once in the dry season, the forest catches fire. And you know dry forest fires, they spread rapidly. And so this fire is spreading rapidly through the forest. And all the birds and the animals, they begin to run away. But what does this small bird do? She goes to a nearby pond. She dips herself in the water. She comes back over the tree and flaps her tiny wings. And maybe 2 or 3 drops of water fall. And again she goes to the pond, immerses herself, comes back, flaps her wings, and a few drops of water fall. And some of the animals and the birds that are running away, they stop in their tracks. And they look at what she's doing, and they are amazed, and they talk to her. And they say, "What are you doing? Have you gone mad? Are you crazy? What do you think you'll achieve? Have you seen yourself? Have you seen the size of this fire? What do you think you are doing?" And she says, "I'm doing what I can." So she continues to do what she can. And this story exists in many cultures, in Native American cultures, in Australian Aboriginal cultures, in Europe, and also as a Buddhist parable. And in some versions, the story stops here. She's doing what she can. But in India, of course, it can't stop here. This can't be the end. So in India, the story continues. So just at that moment, some gods are passing by in the sky. And one of them happens to look down and sees what's going on. There is this fire and there is a small bird. So he takes the form of an eagle and swoops down and comes close and watches the love of this bird for the tree. And when he watches this love, tears come to his eyes. And when the gods weep, what happens? It rains. So in this song, Kabir says, "Doodhe bootha mein," it rained milk. Milk is a symbol of purity in our country. So it's a very special kind of rain because her love was so strong, so powerful. It even called the rain. "Doodhe bootha mein," kahe Kabir Dharamdas se, "nit nit navlo ne." Kabir says to his disciple Dharamdas, "Every day my love is new. Every day my love is fresh. Every day I come to this space of love. It's not for some times. Once in a month I will meditate. No." And the refrain of the song says, "Heli mari kin sankara se." Oh my friend, whom should I love? And the response is, "Sangat ki jo dharmi sadhari, sangat ki jo nirmal sadhari." Keep the company of pure-hearted ones. keep the company of clean-hearted ones. Because the power of company, and here company is not only people outside, it's also our thoughts and feelings. What kind of thoughts and feelings are we cultivating in our own minds? That is also the company that we keep. Actually, that is the greatest company that we keep, because our mind is our constant companion. So it says, बांस उगो इना बाग मा, थरक रही बनराई, आप जले औरन के जाड़े, अग्नि घनी अगमाए. A bamboo grove grew in this forest, and the whole forest trembles with fear. Why? It burns itself and it burns everything around. So much fire in its belly. Chandan ugo ina bagma, harak kare banraye. Chandan paas mein jaऊं, aap chandan hoy jaओ. A sandalwood tree grew in this forest, and the whole forest rejoices. Why? Because if I go near the sandalwood, I also become fragrant. So this is the power of the company that we keep. पान पड़नते यूं कियो, पान पड़नते यूं कियो कि सुन तरुवर बन राम. अब के बिछड़े कब मिले, दूर पड़ेंगे जान. तो आग लगी इस वृक्ष को और जलन लगे सब पात. तुम क्यों जलो पंखेरू, पंख तुम्हारे पास. फल फूल खा दे इस वृक्ष के, फल फूल खा दे इस वृक्ष के, और बीट पड़ी है पात. उड़ना हमारा धर्म नहीं, जलना वृक्ष के साथ. So there's a small conversation between the bird and the tree. And the tree says to the bird, I have roots. I can't fly. You have wings. Fly away. Save yourself. And the bird says, I ate your fruit. I soiled your leaves. I played from branch to branch. You burn and I fly away. That is not love. हे मारी लिए किण सा करा मैं स्नेह. हे मारी लिए किण सा करा मैं स्नेह. किण सा करा मैंने हे लिए संगत की जोरे निर्मल साधुरी. संगत की जोरे धर्मी साधुरी. के लिए किण सा करा मैं स्नेह. हे मारी लिए बांस उगो रे इनारे बागमा थरकर हीरे बना राय लिए आप जड़ रे औरन के जा आड़े अगणी गणी रे अंग हेलिए किण सा करा में स्नेह हे मारी लिए चंदन उगो रे इनारे बागमा हर कर हीरे बना राय लिए चंदन पास में जा आप चंदन हुई जा लिए किण सा करा में स्नेह हे मारी लिए दव लगो रे इनारे बागमा पंछी रे बैठो लिए हमरे जलो रे पंख बहारो तम उड़ी परे को जाओ हे लिए फल खादाने पान बिरो ओढ़िया रमिया डालो डाल हे लिए तमरे जलो में उभरूं जीवनो कित रे बार लिए दव बुझो रे जाड़ा रे मेटिया दूधे बूठा में हे लिए कत कबीरा धर्मीदास से नित नित आनव लोने हे Thank you so much.